Hello, I am Sri, Uncle Sri. Let us learn mathematics. Yes, we continue with multiplication. Yes, we know multiplication table. You see, I have stuck multiplication table here. I have second multiplication table, third multiplication table, and fourth multiplication table. Because I know fifth multiplication table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's very easy. Now, today I will do a small revision, right? I have some problems with me. Let me take 23. I want to multiply by a single digit number 3. What do you do now? You take these two numbers and first multiply. 3 3s are 9. Then you take this 3 and multiply with 2. You multiply 3 2s are 6. So this is the answer. A 2-digit number with a single digit number. Now what I am going to do? I am going to multiply a 3-digit number to 232. Let me say. And I am going to multiply this by 3. Yes. When I multiply, again what I do? This is 1st digit, this is 10th digit, and this is 100th place. Okay. Now multiply 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6. Now go to the second digit, right, and multiply this. This is 3 3s are 9. And then take the last digit here and again multiply. 3 2s are 6. Okay, so 696 is the answer. It's very easy now. I'm going to do now one more problem. Let me see how we can solve this problem. I'm going to take a number 423. Right? How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3 digits are there. I multiply this with 3. With 3. So, as usual, what we should do? Multiply first digit with the number you want to multiply. 3 multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9. Now multiply the second digit with 3. So 3 2s are 6. Now multiply the third digit, and that is 3 multiplied by 4. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Write that as it is. Don't worry. If it is 12, write it as 12. And this is the answer. What is this? 1269. That is the answer. Let me do another problem. 521. You understand what I do? 5 2 1. Let me multiply this with 4. Is a single digit. I am multiplying all single digit number, right? And I am multiplying with maybe a 2 digit, maybe a 3 digit. Let me see now how I can multiply. Take the first one. 4 1s are 4. Very good. Now 4, and what is this number? 2. Now multiply 4 and 2. 4 2s are 8. Now I got 5 here and I got 4 here. Multiply 5 and 4. Now we should know the multiplication table, right? Now 5 fours are 20. So I write that number here. You understand what I did? Yeah, 5 fours are 20. So this is the answer. Do you understand how I am doing this problem? Okay. Now I am going to do more problems on this in this video. Okay. Yes. Now, let me take some other problem. 6, 3, 2 multiplied by 3. What will be the answer? Will you try this problem? Yes. Now, I am not going to put marks like this. I will just put an arrow. 3 2s are 6. Next 3 with 3. I put an arrow. 3 3s are 9. Then I put another arrow. 3 6 are 18. So our answer is 1896. Right? And I will do now next problem, that is 70 multiplied by 6. What will happen? 70 multiplied by 0. Now 6. So 6 multiplied by 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So it will become 0. Right. Now 6 multiplied by 7. That is 4 2. 420. What is this? 420. In Hindi, you call it 420. What do you call it? 420. Now, we will multiply one more time another number and see what is happening. Yes. You see, 700 multiplied by 6. In this problem, see, 6 multiplied by 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. This 6 multiplied by 0. Again 0. Now 6 multiplied by 7. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. What is this? 400. 4200. This is 420. 420. And here 420, 10 times 420. 10 times 420. You see, multiply 420. You understand what I am doing? This is just for fun. I am telling you, don't worry about this now. I hope you understand what I am doing this problem. All these problems, all the problems I did now in the part 1 and this part, they all are only multiplying with a single digit. Now I am going to tell you that if I multiply with 0 with any number, right, the value will be 0. Now why is this like that? Why 0 multiplied by something is 0? I'll take an example, right? I'm going to take a small cup, okay? There is a small cup and I have another small cup, okay? Now, in this cup, I'm going to fill, this is not served like this, okay? Let me change it little, right? Now, I got 2 cups with me, okay? And now, watch carefully what I am doing. 1 cup and there is another cup. Okay, now what I am going to do? I am going to sleep. Uncle Sri is going to sleep. Oh. Yes, I am seeing a tree. Kalyana Samayal Sadam, Kaigari Gadam Pramadam. Ah, I see laddus, Tirupati laddus. Yes, in one bowl there is laddu. In another bowl there is laddu. Yes, yes. Now I'm going to open my eyes. Slowly I get up. Yes, I see the. Oh, there is no laddus. 2 cups are there and there is no laddu. So what is the multiplication? When in both the cups there is no laddu, that means 0 laddu here and 0 laddu here. Only in dream I had laddu, but in reality I don't have laddu. Then like that you multiply any number. I multiply 10 with 0. I may have imagination, right? 10 cups are there and I have 10 laddus. But in reality, there is 0 laddu. So, you will get big 0. I multiply 100 with 0. What will be the value? Again it is 0. You multiply 1000. You multiply 1 lakh. But when you multiply with 0, that means nothing. When you multiply with nothing, you will get nothing. When you multiply with nothing, you will get nothing. You have to remember that very, 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 very important. If you study well, mathematics, then you will not get this. Your teacher will say, oh, you will get 0 mark. You are going to get a big anda. It's not anda. It's not anda. It's 0, right? And you learn mathematics better and better, and you will be able to get really. I will change the number here for you. I'm going to put here 1. When I put 1, what will happen? When I put 1, what will happen here? 1 multiplied by, let me take 10. Okay? Now, I'm going to tell you 1 multiplied by 10 is what? I take a cup now. Okay? Now, I'm not imagining. I'm not dreaming. I'm not sleeping. My eyes are wide open. Now, I'm going to keep 10 laddus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 laddus are there. 10 laddus are there. And how many cups are there? 1 cup is there. So 1 multiplied by 10 laddus is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10. So if you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number. Okay? Now, if I multiply 1 with 100, what will be the value? The same number, 100. You will get any number you multiply. Suppose I remove this, right? 1 multiplied by 420. How many 420s will be there? Only 1 420. Only 8 420, right? So you multiply with 0, you will get 0. You multiply with 1, you will get the same number you multiply. Remember this. It's very, very important. Very simple and easy, right? With this, I will conclude this video. In next video, I will teach you multiplication with the carry. How we can carry the values from one place to another place. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.